how to multiply models?
No!
Come, let's teach you. Hi, I'm Sir Jovan. And I'm the student of Sir Jovan. Here is an example. If you multiply
1/2 and 3/6. But you're the first fraction.
Step 2, draw the second fraction example. 3/6. Next step, draw the first model and the second model.
Here is how you do it.
Then count for the denominator. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then count the overlap. 2, 3. Now you have the numerator. We need to simplify when we do. One of them is divisible by 3. Of candies and 3/5 were sold. How many were left? The first fraction that we will do. This is the second, this is the 6/8. We need to count now. The overlapping. 1, 2, 3, 4. We found 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. And 40 divided by 2 is 20. And then we put a word left. That's the final answer. Thank you for listening. Bye.